My name is Demetrius, and I'm the owner-operator of the Iron Vault, the strongest gym in Austin, Texas. Built by lifters, for lifters.
But what about me?
Hey, buddy, the time is now.
Yeah, buddy. According to my calculations, I'm absolutely shredding.
But I'm an old lady, not some muscle-bound mutant.
Old, young, doesn't matter. This gym's for everybody.
Oh yeah, smell what Grandma's baking. I'll come in medium rare with this one, baby. Oh yeah.
At the Vault, you'll get the body you've always wanted.